Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'd like to give you a little tour of the black raspberries that I planted last year, and we'll give you a little update on that. It's the variety's Niwot, and they produce supposedly a fall crop, but I believe they also produce an early crop, like 2 crops a year. I'm not sure what's going on with them, but they're getting ready to flower. Excuse me. A little free promotion for you guys. Funny Lion, Puerto Princesa, Palawan, Philippine Islands. We had a good time on our trip to Palawan. Oh, I got company. What do we got going on here? Yes, I know, you think you're a rock star. Everything's about the chickens. Crazy. I worked my butt off trying to get a decent video, and my couple second shorts of the chickens are the ones that get thousands of views and all the likes. Anyhow, let's take a look at these Niwots. Now, I planted these last year as plugs that I bought from Norris Farms, and I left them grow. They didn't give me any fruit last year, and then I wintered the canes over and I attached them to a trellis. The first year they get sprawly, and that's just the nature of a black raspberry, or a lot of raspberries for that matter. But after that, the canes get more vigorous. You can see these new canes that are coming up here. Look in here. See how thick that cane is getting there? That'll be a nice erect cane, and that won't be all sprawly. But if you look here, flowers everywhere, getting ready to open, and those will be berries. I don't know when they're going to ripen. This is, like I said, this is going to be the first time for these. Now you see I have them spaced out a decent distance apart. I believe that's 2 feet apart. Oh, look here, we got a new cane coming up. Look at this. It's oh yeah, that's nice. Now this plant here didn't do as well. I believe that was but it is spreading out, so. Yeah, we got new canes coming up in there. Probably do incredible this year. Oh, the geese are flying over, and the chickens are following me around. Don't you have something to do? Like, go find some grubs. Chickens, they're great to have fresh eggs, but I'll tell you what, sometimes they're a real pain in the rear end. Here's another row of Niwots. Niwot or Niwot. Not exactly sure how you pronounce it. I'm not good with stuff like that. But yeah, they're all. What do you do to my drip line here? Chickens have the drip line all. I have double drips on this row here because I used to grow strawberries here. So I just reutilized the drip tape. I never pulled it. I just pulled the plastic. These are looking good. And I'll update this video again when the flowers start to open up. Alright, this is Warrior in a Garden out here. Thanks for watching.